another couple things here is we have a couple different options for tilt motion, permanent track, auto zoom, and outside platforms. So let's talk about these. So one is, there are times, and there are a lot of our customers who don't want any tilt. They don't need the camera to go up and down. It's literally got enough space when it's zoomed in to have the top of the whiteboard, the bottom of the whiteboard, enough of the waist up of the professor, and they don't need it to go up and down. Mm-hmm. Now, we have tilt motion on because we noticed when you get closer to the camera, you might want it to tilt down. And that's something I might ask you to do, Tess, on a second demo.
Sure.
Is you could actually sit down maybe in front of this desk and it'll tilt down.
Okay.
So that's what, with the tilt motion on, it has the ability to go up and down. But not everybody needs that.
Right.
Auto zoom allows it to really feel like there's a camera operator there. So if you're walking farther away or closer, it'll zoom in and out. The outside platform and permanent track, that is if you leave the widths of the reference camera, left and right, if you go beyond it, then it will go ahead and default to what a single sensor camera would do and just go off of auto tracking based on a single sensor because you've left the reference camera zone, if that makes sense.